Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn that how to download and set up Oracle Database 21C Express Edition. So here I have opened my Chrome and now I will type in search bar download Oracle Database Express Edition and then I will press enter key, and here you can see some options, and here below you can see www.oracle.com. This is official website of Oracle, and here is first a link, that is Oracle Database Express Edition. And now you can see further three options or three links. First is Oracle Database Express Edition for Windows 64 bits, and other two links are provided here. And then second link is about Oracle Database Express Edition 21C for Linux 64 bits, and third is also for Linux operating system, but we are using Windows. So here I pressed first link, and you can see that downloading has started and its size is 1.8 GB. And after downloading, you can see here WinRAR file. You should have installed WinRAR. If you have not installed, then you can install WinRAR. And here I have to extract files in a folder, so here I will extract and then I will press OK. So here you can see this is folder, and I will open this folder where all files are extracted, and here you can see this setup file. Okay, then we have to open this setup file, so I will press button twice, and then a process for setup will continue. And here you can see that process for installation is continued, and here you will press next button. So I pressed next, and here you have to accept terms and conditions and then press next button again. And here this is by default path that your installed files will save in C drive. You can change by pressing this change button, but I will use this default path. And so I will press next button again, and here you will type a password for user, that is sys system or pdb admin. Okay, and here you will type your password. You can use any password, but usernames are provided here. First is sys, second is system, and pdb admin. These will be used for username, and here I am typing my password, and then I will confirm my password, and then I will press next again. You will remember this password, and then I will press install button, and this process is started and it is time consuming. So after some time, here you will see that there is a small window. This is for installing some packages. Here you have not to press any button. It will be closed after installation of some necessary packages. So you have to wait until completing this installation process, and after you have to wait until completing this Oracle Database 21C installation. So I will wait for some time, and then it will be installed. And here you can see this is some necessary information. You should save this, and you can take a screenshot, and then you should save this that screenshot. This is some information about localhosts for different purposes. And here you can see localhost 1, and then localhost and name, and in last this is URL http localhost 5500. So after taking a screenshot, now all installation process are completed, and here I will close all these tabs, and now I will search SQL SQL plus. Okay, here you can see SQL plus, and now I will open this. This is like a command prompt, and after it I will zoom it, and now I will enter here a name, and I have told you that you have to use system or sys, and after you have to enter here password. So I will enter here password, and after it I will press enter key. You will not able to see any dot or any character. Then you can see that lost successful login and next information about date and time. Now our database is empty. We have no any kind of table in our database. So first of all we have to create a table in our database, and then we will use some queries after that, after creating that table. So first of all I will use create table. This is query, and after you will use any name for table, and here I am using a name of student. Now, this is our table name. You can use any other name instead of student, and after it you have to create some columns in this student table. And here I will use parentheses, and first of all I will create first column, that is SID. It means student ID, and its type is number, and then I will define its size, and that is 5. You can define any other size like 10, 15 and 20, and after using a comma for separation you will create any other column, and I will type here as name. It means student name, and now I will define here its type, that is var char, and then I will define its size, and I am defining here 10. You can use any other size according to your requirements, and I have defined two columns. You can use any other columns here you have to use a comma, and then you will type a name for other column, and then press semicolon and enter key. So here you can see that table is created. So here we will see that what is in our table. So here I will use a query describe student, that is our table in our case, and after semicolon and then press enter key. And here you can see that there are two columns in our table. First is SID, and its type is number, and its size is 5. And after it there is a other column, that is S name. It means student name, and its type is var char, and its mean variable character, and its size is 10. So this is our table, and these are our two columns. You can define multiple columns in a table. So we can insert some value in our table, in our columns of table. So for this purpose I will use a query for inserting value, that is insert into student, that is our table student, and then values. And after our first value is a number, that is student ID. So here I will type 1 2 3, and after it I have to insert a name in other column, that is S name. So here I will type Ahmad, and after it I will close parenthesis and then semicolon. Sorry, I have a mistake. I have to use comma because we are using a string. If you are using a string or a character, you have to use pair of comma, single comma or double comma. So here I will type comma and then name Ahmed and then other comma, and now I will use closing parenthesis and semicolon. Now I will explain again that student is our table, and we have two columns in our this table. So first is SID, and then we entered a value for this student ID, and other was a name for S name. And after pressing enter key, you can see that one row is entered, created. So here we can see that what is information saved in this table. So I will I will type a query that is select asterisk. Asterisk means that all from our table. So here I am typing select all from student, and you know that student is our table. And here you can see that SID, that is our column, and then information saved in our SID, and then other is S name column, and here you can see value that is saved in S name column. So this was our video for downloading and set up our Oracle database 21C, and this was our test. I hope this video will be very useful and understandable for you. Please like and share our video and subscribe our YouTube channel.